As I shared in our planning video, our RV camper design includes the use of the two front seats. For this reason, one of the first things that we need to do is remove our passenger cargo partition. In this video, I'll show you how we did that and what tools we needed. To remove the partition from your Ram Promaster, you will need 4 separate tools: a number 5 Allen wrench, a T40 Torx, a 13mm socket, and a drill bit. The majority of the fasteners are Allen bolts. They are located all of the way around the sides and the top of the partition. There are 2 rivets that need to be drilled out, and they're located here. There are a couple of tie-down rings down at the bottom held in place with T40 Torx. They're located here. And there's a single bolt, 13mm, here. There was no electrical connected to our partition, so we had nothing to disconnect.
This morning, Town Council adopted a bylaw that will allow the flood to return to his old job. The City of Ottawa plans to...
I'm walking up to a place I often walk by inside, a place where people are not afraid to get their hands dirty.
And it was true. She was totally right that we were sitting inside a table. That window would have been too high for us to really enjoy the view that we had.
Wow.
I admit that I think sometimes
Okay. Those 2 are off.
why do you have to be so sure? You're like,
Gotta drill those out. Okay. I guess it came off. That could have been bad.
We love to see some of the things that children